All right, so today we're gonna do Leetcode question number 217. It's called contain duplicates, right? And this is an easy question on Leetcode. All right, let's get into it. All right, given an integer array, nums return true if any value appear at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. All right. Okay, so this question is quite simple and quite straightforward. Um, Let me share this on the screen. So basically, the question is asking if there is any duplicates number inside of the array, right? If there's no duplicates like this, there's no duplication and each number is distinct, right? It's going to return false, right? And here, if there's a duplicates like this, right? There are two of number 2 like this, it's going to return true, right? So we just need to make an output that return true if the same number more than 1, and return false if all the number is distinct. Okay, so this is a very easy questions, and you can just simply do it. Well, first of all, obviously, we can actually use the dictionary, right? And then count the number like this, right? For example, the key and value here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the example just now, where the array is like this, it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, right? Right, and for the example that has a duplicate number like this, it's going to be 1, 2, 2, right? And 3, 1. And all we need to do is to iterate through the value of the dictionary, and if there is any value that is more than 1, we just return false. Right, that's really the solution. Okay, so basically we need to create a dictionary. I'll call it count, and that's going to default dict collections, right? And that's gonna okay. And for nums, in nums, we just need to get count num equal to 1 plus get 1 plus count get num 0. Here we can just create a new dictionary and we can check if this is correct. Oh, sorry, I think I made a mistake here. Here it should be collections default dict. Okay. There we go. Here we can see that we have this dictionary. Okay. And then a comment here. And then we need to iterate the dictionary for for k in enumerate. Or you can actually simply use this for value in count dot values. If value larger than 1, then return false, right? Then we can just return true by the end of statement. And that would be it. Wait a minute, why is this wrong? Oh, sorry, that has to be true, and that has to be false. Oh, it seems my battery is running out. There you go, that's the questions, right? So there you go, that's the answer. But then you can notice that my solution is really, really slow compared to the other users, right? So actually, there's an easier way to do this and a much faster algorithms. Basically, you can put that in a set, right? You can put nums in a set, so I'm gonna call it num set like this. So nums. So once you have sets, no, sorry, you can actually have an empty set of num, and we can iterate it like this for num in nums. If num in num set, we can just return true. Else we can just keep on adding it. Add num. Then we can return false. That's going to give you the right answer as well. And with a fast, hold on, name num set is not defined. Why is it not defined? Oh, okay, sorry, we can actually put it as a collections default tag. No. Okay, there's a spelling mistakes here. I always make mistake for some reason. I'm not sure why. Maybe I'm too sleepy these days. Oh, there you go. So here you can see that this time we get a much faster speed and we beat 96% of the user, and we using less memory compared to this method. All right. Okay, so that's another trick that you might want to use to and keep it in your mind during the real interview in case they ask you for for a better, faster algorithms, right? All right, okay. Thank you for your time.